want to show. So remember I was getting accessories for this my car, different stuff. Well, I got this. Look, okay, so remember all of the time when I had the other car, remember I would always lose the key in the house. Like I lost one key for the other car, and then the other one we used to lose it like a whole bunch of times. So what I decided to do was get this to put on it, and that way I can't lose it. Like this is too bulky to just disappear somewhere. Like if it's just this little piece alone, then yeah, but this, having this piece on it, is a game changer. And just everything else I put on it, like my keychain and all of that, like this had to be on it. And this is cute. I like it. At first I was going to return it, but I was like, no, I like it. It's cute. And yes, almost every other video I hear me I talk about something else about the car, because I'm frightened. I deserve for frightened. I'm frightened. Yes, Frightened Friday. Didn't do drop off today. Well, did do drop off, but husband drove, so it's kind of his drop off day. But it was cool. So I'm back home, and now I have to finish this course that I'm doing. Hopefully by the time that this goes up, I already finished the course and got what I need to have, got the job, the job. By the time this goes up, I should have it. So let's see. So I'm gonna finish that today. Today I'm just gonna be working. That's all I'm going to do, working on my computer. Still can't find my swim cap, so yeah. So even though I'm gonna go Wednesday, I still had to like jump in the pool and wash my hair and stuff, but it was okay. It was all right. It was cool. I'll just, you know, keep doing this until I get what I have. So I got the course, right? And I finished watching all the video, well, all the videos that I saw. I think there's some more resources that I have to watch, so I'm gonna watch the rest of the resources tonight and then do the actual course part of it, so I can get the completion certificate, and then I can text that in. Okay, so I just made it to drop off like by the inch, like 9 minutes early. Yo, I was in the pool today and I did well, by the way. I did so much better. I kind of did enjoy it, and I was so relaxed in there. And I just, I don't know, something about me in the pool, even if I'm not like the bestest swimmer ever, something with me in the water just relaxing. So I kind of get carried away, and you know, time did I pass, and I was like, but I kind of did strict with myself. I was like, 3, you know, that's time I go and check the time. By the time I'm running, and then the option was come out, come fair, or don't want, I mean, I have to not wash out my hair, and I don't want to have to deal with that, because then that's worse than, yeah, that's worse than picking up late, a little bit late. So I was like, let me hurry up, go into the shower, fastest shower I ever take ever, wash out my hair, and did put some conditioner on it again, jump out, dry off my body, put on my clothes. Only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lotion or not, some look ashy. Yo, not even deodorant, I put on the deodorant still in my bag, jump into the car, and I made it here with 7 minutes to spare. So I'm gonna run out, I'm gonna grab her now, and then back for her swim lessons. Today was a day. I don't know what's the last thing I put in here, but yeah, today was a day. I did it. It's nighttime and I'm home. Oh, I kind of cleaned up the mess just a little bit. It's just that I cleaned up off the floor, but it's that I'm take up everything off of the floor and fold them up, put them on the bed. This need a whole rearranging. Like this soon gone. Like this need to go on. I'll soon get rid of that. So this whole thing will come out, and that way then I can set up my desk a different way. I just have this space. I don't know, something about the enclosed area I throw me off. I like windows. Should have probably have, yeah, I like windows. Anyways, I don't know what phase of my cycle I'm in, but it's giving needs a change. So I just did a mini cleaning. Not even a cleaning, just move around the things and so I have closer access to my desk. And then when I move this bed out, which is pretty soon, I can turn my, I rather have the space behind me now. I don't want it, yeah, I'd rather have the space that way instead of that way, because I don't feel so tight and enclosed. But I'm a bit tired too. I think tomorrow will be a better day. Today wasn't a bad day though, but you know, yeah. Okay, so we did the lay already, and now we have to do some top up of groceries. So we're in my favorite spot, BJ's, getting some groceries, and they need some snacks for school as well. Okay, so it was supposed to be a little hurry up. As I'm walking, I'm remembering some things that I need, just a few things, like a here and there's, you know. Does it even make sense to get it now? We're all okay, so now we're out of BJ's. I went for waffles, but so we did need some more breakfast stuff, so I got some more breakfast stuff, which wasn't too bad, and I did good this time. I didn't like over purchase anything. I just know that I ended up getting a raincoat. Let me show you the raincoat. I got her a raincoat because it's been raining here a lot, and I'm pretty sure the rain will come again, so I'm gonna say, I'm gonna go ahead and get her a raincoat. And then I also got house clothes for AJ. So that was it, and then some grocery stuff, some meat, quick thing. Never done a big shopping like we usually do, and that way I'm gonna have to come here another week, because another week we have plans to do things to sort out life. So I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna unpack. Also, do you guys notice the black liner? What I'm trying to do with it, tell me what I think. Like, I think it's cute. Me like it anyways. So yeah, we're gonna head back home now, unpack, and then today is actually a hair wash day. And after the hair wash, then I'll have time to do some more of that videos. But I feel like I want to do video them till later in the night. I feel like if I do them now, I'm not focus as much on it. So wash our hair, actually comb it. I don't know if I get for comb it in time. This time I'm not pull out our twist them and wash our hair. I keep them in and comb our hair. And then after that, I already cleaned the office, so I think after that I can go up to editing for upload tomorrow.